Since November last year, we are seeing a hell lot of artificial intelligence tools springing up on internet. You might have heard about ChatGPT, Bard, Copilot of Microsoft, and Firefly tool of Adobe systems. In today's video, we will talk about Firefly, that is text-to-image generation tool created by Adobe systems. First, you need to go to firefly.adobe.com, log in, and head right over here. You can see it's Adobe Firefly beta system. It is still in beta stage, which means it has not yet been released for the public, but being developed through the input given by the people all across the globe. Right over here, you can see we have these 4 options that we can use in beta stage: text to image, generative fill, text effect, and generative recolor. While some other tools like 3D to image and extend image options are in exploration stage. And down at the bottom, you can see the different images submitted by different people created using Adobe Firefly. Let's look at how we can use Adobe Firefly to create image of our own. Let me go to first option, that is text to image. Click on generate. Right over here, you can give it a prompt to generate an image. And let me write a really weird. So the prompt that I'm putting over here is generate a cat playing on moon with a river flowing nearby. That's really strange, but let's see how does it come up with. And there you go. You can see it has created beautiful 4 images of a cat on the moon. River is flowing nearby. Let me click on this one. And there you can see how beautiful it looks to be. You can download this image right from here. But for now, I'm going to click on these 3 dots and copy to clipboard. And I'm going to paste it in Microsoft Word. Let me paste it over here. And there you go. If I were to create this image using Adobe Photoshop or some other image editing tools, it would have taken a hell lot of time, probably a day or 2. But over here, it's been done in no time. And on the right side, you can see you can choose these different options, different styles to apply to this image. For example, you can create square image, landscape, portrait, widescreen. Let me click on widescreen. And I want to go for graphic over here and digital art. And to the bottom, color and tone. I think warm tone would be good. And right hand side, you can see it's applying and creating those images for you. And lightning, I think dramatic lighting is good. Composition, shot from above, none. I think none is good for this particular video. Click on generate, and it's applying the different styles that you have applied right from here. And there we are. You can see how beautiful these images are. Let me click on this particular one. And it's a wide angle image. You can download, you can make it your favorite, but again, copy it to clipboard. You can also submit it to Firefly gallery. I'm just copying it to clipboard, and let me paste it right over here. And there you go. You can see how beautiful this image is. So whatever prompt you will give it, it would create an image using that prompt. And if you're confused, how should I have a prompt ready for me? Then you can either go to Bard or ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt for you. Let me show you. Give me a few prompts for creating an image of snake curled around tree in a sea. That's a weird one, but let's check. And there you can see it has given us a few beautiful prompts. Let me click this second one. Visualize a tall, majestic tree standing proudly at the edge of a sea. Let me copy this one and go to Firefly, and let me paste it right over here. Generate, and let's wait. And there we are. You can see, just copy this one and paste it over here. But you can see how beautiful this tree is. And similarly, you can check all other options. For example, this third one. And let me put in this prompt right over here. Click on generate. And there you can see how beautiful these images are. You can just download, extend it, and let me copy this one right from here and paste it in Microsoft Word. And there you can see how beautiful this image is. I hope till now you know how we can create beautiful images using just text in Adobe Firefly. Now let's see the second option, that is generative fill. Let me click on generate, And over here, you can see use a brush to remove objects or paints in new ones, upload an image. First, let me upload an image. Let me choose this particular image. And I want to have the background of this particular image removed. Click on background. And what you want? Oh, you can see it's gone. And right over here, you can ask it to fill it with a different background. And there you are. You can see we have been given these 4 options, and the background that we earlier had is gone, and this is the new image that has been created right over here. Now click on keep, and you can also add or subtract something from this particular image as well. Let me copy it to clipboard and paste it right over here, and there we are. You can see it's standing in a different background. I hope so far it's good. You can generate your own images. Now the third tool is a text effect. It's pretty simple. You can create text like these. And let me quickly show you how does it work. Let me write a letter D, and I'm asking it to apply a dragon effect. Click on generate, and there we are. You can see how beautifully it has created these images. You can see there are 4 options, and if you want, you can refresh it to have some more images as well. And there you can see. Let me copy this particular image to clipboard and paste it right over here. And you can see how beautiful this looks to be. It is a letter D in the form of a dragon. Just imagine how much time it would have taken to create it manually using Adobe Photoshop or some other image editing tool. On the right side, you can see we can apply different text effects, font, as well as backgrounds or color. And let's come to the last one, that is generative recolor. Generate. You can upload an image right from here, but for this particular demonstration, I'm going to use the images that have already been given by the Adobe. Try prompt, Sakura in the snow. Now, this is an SVG image, and you are interested to have different tone and feel of this Sakura in the snow. So, sample prompts are given right over here. Click on terracotta desert, and there you can see it has changed the color of the image. Similarly, you can ask it to change the color. Let me ask it to apply beige color, B-E-I-G-E. Click on generate, and there we are. You can see how beautiful these images are. You can simply download it from here. Let me click on download, and there we are. That's our SVG image. So in this way, you can use Adobe Firefly to create beautiful images, texts, as well as SVG images. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.